Original image is a wooden detallado image of the Blessed Mother with ivory hands and a face of oriental features. The devotion to Nuestra Señora de la Asunción de Maragondon dates back in 1585 with the arrival of the Franciscan missionaries in Cavite and began their teaching work in Silang, Indang, and Maragondon. And its visita was established as part of Silang in 1595 until this mission was turned over to the Jesuits in 1599. Due to the numerous miracles attributed to her intercession, the altar image of the Birheng Nakatayo of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción de Maragondon was episcopally crowned on December 14, 1997. The image is under the care of Mr. John Michael A. Blesa and Femin from Tanza, Cavite. The image of the Nuestra Señora de la Asunción de Maragondon is accompanied by the Santa Cruz Band. Thank you very much for being with us in the celebration of the 13th Tanza Grand Marian Procession. La Virgen María, Madre de Dios. The Solemnity of Mary, the Holy Mother of God, is a feast day of the Blessed Virgin Mary under the aspect of her motherhood of Jesus Christ. The feast is a celebration of Mary being the mother of Jesus. The English title Mother of God is a literal translation of the Latin title Mater Dei, which in turn is a rendering of the Greek title Theotokos, meaning the bearer of God. Dogmatically adopted by the First Council of Ephesus in 431 as an assertion to the divinity of Christ. The Second Vatican Council stated clearly for the earliest times, the Blessed Virgin is honored under the title of Mother of God. At an early stage, the Church in Rome celebrated on 1st of January. The image is under the care of Mr. John Albert Yolanco of Hulugan, Tanza, Cavite. Thank you very much for being with us in the celebration of the 13th Tanza Grand Marian Procession.
Nuestra Señora de la Soledad de Portavaga. A legend narrates that during the Spanish colonial era, at the peak of Cavite's economic prosperity, because of the Manila-Acapulco galleon trade, a small detachment of the Spanish Guardia Civil was stationed at Agarita, located at Portavaga of Cavite Puerto, at the end of the isthmus separating it from Barrio San Roque. The icon was used to bless departing trade galleons plying the route between Cavite and Acapulco, Mexico, earning her the title Patroness of the Galleons, when stories of its miraculous powers thus earned it the title the Virgin of Thousand Miracles. Countless miracles have been attributed to the Virgen de la Soledad. Her mysterious apparition and unexplained arrival of her image were initial revelations of her miraculous reign. The image is under the care of Cofradía de la Virgen de la Soledad de Portavaga, Incorporated.
The image is a shrine of the Diocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora de la Soledad de Portavaga, Parish of San Roque in Cavite City.
Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe. In the Philippines, contrary to the claims that the Virgin of Guadalupe is the secondary patroness of the Philippines, a papal bull was issued on July 16, 1935 by Pope Pius XI, declaring that, forsooth with our certain knowledge and mature deliberation, and from a plenitude of our apostolic authority, according to the purport of these letters and in perpetual manner, we define and declare that the Blessed Virgin Mary, under the aforesaid title Guadalupe, is before God the celestial patroness of the Philippine Islands. Wherefore, we command that all the liturgical rights and privileges which are proper to such patronage shall be bestowed upon her heavenly patronage. The image is under the care of Mrs. Josefina Fojas from Tanza, Cavite.
Nuestra Señora de la Medalla Milagrosa. St. Catherine of Labor stated that on July 18, 1830, the eve of the feast of St. Vincent, she woke up after hearing the voice of one child calling her to the chapel, where she heard the Virgin Mary say to her, "God wishes to charge you with a mission. You will be contradicted, but do not fear. You will have the grace to do what is necessary." On November 27, 1830, Catherine reported that the Blessed Mother returned during the evening meditations. She displayed herself inside an oval frame, standing upon a globe. She wore many rings with a set of gems that shone rays light over the globe. Around the margin of the frame appeared the words, "O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to thee." The image is under the care of the Hijos at Hijas de Maria from the Diocesan Shrine of San Agustin, Parish of Santa Cruz. Joining the image of the Medalla Milagrosa are the members of the Hijos at Hijas de Maria.
Nuestra Señora de Lourdes. This image of Our Lady of Lourdes reportedly occurred in 1858 in the vicinity of Lourdes in France. The first of these is the apparition of February 11, 1858, when Bernadette Subirus, a 14-year-old peasant girl, told her mother that a lady spoke to her in the cave of Masabil, a mile from town, while she was gathering firewood with her sister and a friend. Similar apparitions of the alleged lady were reported on 17 occasions that year, until the climax revelation of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception took place. The image is under the care of the Samahan ng Mahal na Birhen ng Lourdes from the Diocesan Shrine of San Agustin.
La Festejada, Nuestra Adorada Inmaculada Concepción. The Immaculate Conception, according to the teaching of the Catholic Church, was the conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary in the womb of her mother, Saint Anne, free from original sin, by virtue of the foreseen merits of her Son, Jesus Christ. The Catholic Church teaches that Mary was conceived, but through normal biological means, but God acted upon her soul, keeping her immaculate at the time of her conception. The Immaculate Conception is commonly mistaken to be the conception of the child Jesus in her womb and the virgin birth of Jesus. These are covered by the doctrine of incarnation, while the Immaculate Conception deals with the conception of Mary herself. The image is under the care of Maria Lea Evangeline Reyes Anisal from Tanza, Cavite. Viva Nuestra Adorada Inmaculada Concepción!
Viva!
Viva Nuestra Adorada Inmaculada Concepción!
Viva!
Viva Nuestra Adorada Inmaculada Concepción!
Viva!
The image of the Nuestra Adorada Inmaculada Concepción will be escorted by the Municipal Band of Tanza.